Samsung has launched its Galaxy A9 Pro 2019 smartphone in South Korea featuring a punch-hole display which Samsung likes to call an Infinity O screen. The Samsung Galaxy A9 Pro 2019 comes with a triple-lens rear camera setup along with a 24MP camera in the front for selfies. The Samsung Galaxy A9 Pro 2019 has been launched at a price of 599,500 Korean won, which roughly translates to 38,100 rupees in India. The smartphone will come in 3 color variants, namely Absolute Black, Black, and Blue. Samsung Galaxy A9 Pro 2019 specs. The Samsung Galaxy A9 Pro 2019 would feature a 6.4-inch Infinity O display with an aspect ratio of 19.5:9. The smartphone will be powered by 6 GB of RAM along with 128 GB of internal storage along with a 3400 mAh battery. As far as the triple-lens camera setup is concerned, the device has a 24MP primary sensor along with 10MP telephoto sensor with up to 2x optical zoom and a 5MP depth sensor for better bokeh effect in photos. In the front, there is a 24MP selfie camera. Galaxy A9 Pro functions on Android v8.1 Oreo operating system. The device is power-driven by octa-core processor and is packed with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 710. Samsung hasn't revealed much details of the phone yet. More details about the device is expected to appear when the device goes on sale in South Korea.